ఇక్కడ ఫిలింనగర్ లోపల 24 బస్సులు ఉన్నాయి. ఈ 24 బస్సుల లోపల ఇది మన నవనిర్మాణ్ నగర్ అని ఒకటి, ఇది మన సర్దార్ వల్లభాయ్ పటేల్ నగర్ అని ఒకటి గవర్నమెంట్ వాళ్ళు క్వార్టర్స్ కట్టించారు. ఇప్పుడు ఇవి కట్టి కనీసం అంటే ఒక 20 సంవత్సరాలు 15-20 సంవత్సరాలు కావస్తుంది. వాళ్ళు వేసిన కలర్న కానీ ఇంతవరకు ఏ రాజకీయ నాయకుడు ఏ పార్టీ వాళ్ళుగా ఎవరు చొరవ తీసుకోలేరు. కొంతమంది అడిగినా కానీ ఎవరు స్పందించలేకపోయారు.
మా ఏరియా ఇది స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి మేము ఇప్పుడు కాలనీ బస్తీ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఒక 25 ఇయర్స్ తర్వాత రాజీవ్ గృహ ఇల్లు పట్టణం స్టార్ట్ చేసాం. ఈ ఏరియాలో ఉండే మేమంతా లేబర్ కూలి చేసుకోవడం వాళ్ళు.
మస్తు ఇబ్బందులు పడ్డాను నాయన మేము. ఇబ్బందులు పడి ఏదో కట్టిన కాడికి చాలన్నట్టుగా ఉండవు అని అంతా గలీజే. ఇప్పటికైనా ఇక గరీబ్ వాళ్ళకి ఆ డేనీస్ పోయినా ఏది పోయినా చేసేది ప్రాబ్లం లేదా, అంతా ఎట్లా ఉంచు గలీజ్గా విషయాల్లో.
Actually, this particular slum welcomes or says goodbyes to whoever comes to Film Nagar. Especially the moment you enter towards Jubilee Hills from Sheikhpet, this particular slum is in the front. The philosophy is very simple. We talk about giving back to the society with an accountability. We just don't do service only for heck of it, but we with a lot of meaning. Whatever we are doing to the society should be accountable, should be sensible, should be carry forward thing. That is with the same tempo we took up development of public places. The moment you called about slums, you have different kind of mindset. We do not consider that these are the people are part of our society. They have the full right to live in with more dignity. So only what is missing is some kind of concern, some kind of guidance. That is what has been missing in most of the case. What we felt is the Nagi Foundation was the right people. Whatever skills Ms. Rubel has, she is an artist. She sees the world with her own colors. She says, why don't we color this particular thing, whatever we're calling our slums and all.
Being an artist, we connect to people through art, because art is one medium that brings people together. It is very easy that when they see the colors, they see the art, it kind of brings them out of their homes, and instead of us coming and going to their homes and telling them what we are doing, they come and ask us. So art is the very first step that we start with, getting connected to the community, the people living in these bastis, but that is just the 10% of Misal Hyderabad initiative. Big thank you to Phoenix Group for taking this initiative and bringing the whole team of Misal India to Hyderabad. You can see right now we are in Film Nagar. So the whole Misal Hyderabad team is here. We have a lot of local volunteers and people from the community who are also coming and working with us. And we also talk about cleanliness, hygiene, sanitation, toilet use. We talk about waste management. We do these different drives throughout the months we work here. And you must have seen in the morning that I kind of take the bag and I start cleaning, and then everybody kind of joins in. And I have to say this, that people in Film Nagar are just so amazing, and I feel so blessed. It really feels great. But as I said, the main aim is to promote education and employment in every area that we work, because these are the things which kind of get neglected in a lot of areas.
मैडम हम लोगों को लेके आते हैं सब जगह में, सब आर्ट वर्क कराने के लिए, जो सिटी को और सुंदर करे, अच्छा लगता है। ये करने में मुझे अच्छा भी लगता है, और उनके साथ मैंने काफ़ी दिनों से काम कर रहा हूँ, जहाँ पे बालवाड़ी है, फिर एजुकेशन, उसके साथ आर्ट को हम लोग मिक्सिंग करते हैं। जो
I have 12 of my team members from Mumbai, and that team itself is not just Mumbai. We have a couple of them from Madhya Pradesh, we have a couple of them from Uttar Pradesh, we have from Rajasthan, we have from New Delhi, and one from Haryana. So we already have brought few states to Hyderabad. And then we have a lot of local volunteers from Hyderabad. And I visited the art college yesterday, and was so overwhelmed and so happy to see the response of not just the students but also the teachers who've heard about Misal India, and they were very happy that Misal India is in Hyderabad and we want to be part of it. So they will also be coming. I think the artists in Hyderabad are so talented and they are so good. The guy who's made a camera so beautifully, so quick. Kiriti, I have to take his name, he's really good. So I visited his college and there I met this bunch of young boys and girls, and they were very enthusiastic about coming and working. They said, we'll come and work, ma'am, and they did. And they did fantastic work. And you know, that how they climb up on the scaffolding, how they paint, and you know, this is what I've done so many years in my life.
ఆర్గనైజేషన్ వాళ్ళు కాలేజ్కి వచ్చి మాకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినప్పుడు కొంచెం ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ అనిపించింది. ఎందుకంటే పెయింటింగ్ చేయడం దాన్ని చూసి పిల్లలు కొంతమంది దగ్గరకు వస్తారు. మనం వాళ్ళకి చదువు గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి, సొసైటీలో ఎట్లా ఉండాలి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి, ఇవన్నీ వాళ్ళకి చెప్పాలి మనం అని చెప్పినప్పుడు కొంచెం పెయింటింగ్సే కాకుండా ఇలాంటివి ఎక్స్ట్రా యాక్టివిటీస్ కూడా చేయడం మంచిదే. కానీ నేను ఒక టీం తీసుకొని ఇక్కడికి వచ్చా. ఫస్ట్ టైం బయట ఆర్టిస్టులతో పనిచేయడం కొంచెం హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాం. అంటే వాళ్ళు ముంబై నుంచి వచ్చి ఇక్కడ స్లమ్స్ని వాళ్ళు నీట్గా చేయడం, లేదంటే పెయింటింగ్ చేపించడం, అంటే వాళ్ళ బయట నుంచి వచ్చి ఇక్కడ వర్క్ చేయించినప్పుడు మనం కూడా కొంచెం వాళ్ళతో కలిసి పని చేస్తే బాగుంటుందని అనిపించింది.
No, we didn't expect the response from that particular locality would be so positive. Be it the children, be it the housewives or the men over there all, and the political people over there. We never expected so much of cooperation. Everybody came forward, everybody got involved. Literally an entire team were a part of their families. Everybody got, those people living there also got involved with our Ms. Rubal Nage's team. So that involvement shows how the kind of program it has been progressing.
ఎక్కడైనా సరే స్లమ్ను డెవలప్ చేయాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో వారు ఫిలింనగర్ వచ్చి ఈ స్లమ్లన్నీ కూడా చాలా అందంగా తీర్చిదిద్దాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు. ప్రస్తుతం ఈ పని చూస్తానని నేను వచ్చాను. వచ్చిన తర్వాత నాకు చాలా ఆశ్చర్యం వేసింది. రూబుల్ నాగే గారు ఎంత కష్టపడి ఇక్కడ పనిచేస్తున్నారో మాకు అర్థమవుతుంది. ముందు ఇంకెక్కడికైనా సరే నేను కూడా ఈ డివిజన్ కార్పొరేటర్గా మీకు ఎక్కడికి కావాలంటే అక్కడికి నేను రావడానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాను.
But I also interacted with some of the girls there, ladies there, and I asked them that would you like to work even if you are working from home, or have you decided that you just want to be housewife? So in fact I can say 90% of women said we would like to work, but we have small children, we have in-laws, how do we do it? So I was then talking to them, that we are going to do some workshops, and when I start my skill center, you can also come and opt for the courses which you can work from home, or even if you have to go out, it's like a few hours job, it's not morning to evening. So they were very positive about that. So that is in fact our next step, which we will be doing and setting up in phase 3.
Once again she proved that it is your love and passion towards your work, whatever it is, be it a CSR, be it your work at your workplace. Unless you get involved, you will not enjoy. Unless you don't enjoy, there's no productivity. She also went ahead with cleaning the areas, educating those people, empowering the women, telling them what is the importance of cleanliness, how do we develop self-development, how can it be done. These are the concepts which Rubal Nage has brought her from our concept, which really made us get associated with Ms. Rubal Nage.
Well, I think honestly I've worked with so many people across India, and by far one of the best teams to work in Hyderabad was Phoenix, and I couldn't be thankful enough to God, honestly, for bringing them on board. It's like when you want to do something good and you're so passionately in love with what you do, good people join hands with you, and not just the top bosses. I think everyone in Phoenix has actually been part of this. We've started the phase 2 of Misal Hyderabad, and we are in Film Nagar right now, on the other side of the Film Nagar where we did the work earlier. And we started with this school because the feedback that I get, that the number of children in school, in government school, is decreasing, which is a very heartbreaking statement. So we kind of now have adopted a model where we want to educate the school children, teachers, staff, their parents connecting to art. So we've started with beautifying this school, and the point is not to beautify just the walls. Point is that, you know, how we can motivate the parents, how we can inspire children and teachers to come back to school with, you know, the increasing number of students. While we were working past 2 days, we had some people walking through and saying, oh, which school is this? So something that they have not noticed earlier, living just down the lane. Now, thanks to these colors, you know, from the main road, they're looking at it, and at least they're making an effort to come and see that there's a school. And I think that will bring the parents back to the school with their children, and that is what we are looking at.
ఈ స్కూల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ గురించి ఫీనిక్స్ వారు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ సడన్ ఇక్కడ పెయింట్స్ వేసిన వస్తారు. మీ స్కూలు మొత్తం సరౌండింగ్స్ అంతా కూడా కాంపౌండ్ వాల్స్తో సహా వేసి ఏరియా అంతా కూడా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా తయారు చేద్దాం అన్నప్పుడు నేను ఒకేసారి షాక్ అయిపోయాను. విత్ ఇన్ 2 days కంప్లీట్గా మా స్కూలు లుక్ మొత్తం మారిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు స్కూల్ చాలా అట్రాక్షన్గా ఉంది. మా తరపున, పిల్లల తరపున, పిల్లల యొక్క పేరెంట్స్ తరపున ఫీనిక్స్కి నేను చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తున్నాను.
It felt like my Instagram story was taken over by these people, which was great. So we had a lot of bloggers and models, actors, anchors. They came the other day, and a little bit of painting, taking photographs, cleaning with us. So it was a fun day. It was good, and they were actually like, you know, we've never come to a slum before, we've never come to a basti before, we've never picked garbage. I said, well, there's always a start, and now you will pick it up and give message to others. Now at least throwing that wrapper once before or outside your car, you'll think twice, you know, that we should not do this. So let's keep it to ourselves, because we've gone to a very dirty nala and cleaned it, right? So I think that should inspire, and I always believe that one person can inspire many more. You know, it's not about doing that cleanliness drive once. It is about, in that once, you can inspire so many more.
We don't get to do it a lot in our daily life. To be very honest, we are all very privileged to be leading such a comfortable life. But the thing that attracted me the most towards this initiative was when I heard that just because you live in slums does not mean that you cannot have a beautiful home. That sentence is what drew me to this place today here, and it was such a beautiful experience.
People living in these areas really need this kind of thing to be done, because they really need to have a clean environment to live in, just like we do. So it was really important that we took a step forward to help them out. So I think I just hope that it gets bigger and better and is able to help out more people.
Today when I was at this event, like the whole gathering, it was very good to see all the kids very happy. Usually kids get bored of conventional education. Misal Hyderabad and Rubal Nagi taking up the step to mix artistic and education together is the right way, I feel, where kids will be more interested.
So, you know, art camp I basically do because I don't want to see how good they paint. That is one of the aspects, but I want them to express. So that is the day, those 2-3 hours, I tell them, paint what you like. So my whole purpose of doing the art camp is not just to make them paint. Point is that come up with something that your teachers don't let you speak, your parents don't let you speak, just do. Even if you want to scribble the page, tear the page, do it. But tell me why you did it and why this was so important for you. So I think that is my main aim of art camp. And then we also select some children who are interested in learning further the art. And then we kind of put them in our centers. I mean, they come up with most amazing creative things.
If you see that there's no much of infrastructure, whatever little infrastructure they have, whatever the teachers, especially the teachers, the way we've been encouraging them, they're trying to tell them best part of it. And to a surprise, I think they should be taken to different levels. This gave us impetus to encourage them more and more. Those people, the kind of drawings, the 6th class people, 7th class, the first prize winners and all, the concept they have in mind within a short period of time, whatever festival, whatever crayons we gave them and all, the kind of images they're drawn is really at a different level. We would certainly come forward to encourage more number of artists in such kind of schools. If we talk about 2 years from now, 3 years from now, it all depends upon how we are selecting the areas, what kind of exercise you're going to do, how many people you're going to empower. So the end result will be, it's not only coloring the walls, it is coloring of inside out. So we are trying to bring some kind of different kind of empowerment in the people living in those areas. So the moment that would really change the entire environment. So it is a color not on the walls but outside, but inside out. That is what we are looking at. I'm sure this is going to happen.
If we can change an area in 1 month, well, that's not possible. How many times do we clean the street and we expect it's not going to be dirty? It's like a movement which will not stop for a few more years. You're going to clean, it's going to get dirty. You're going to clean, it's going to get dirty. But in that cleaning and dirty, if you can change few people's mind, they will be taking the cycle ahead for you. They will tell other people that, listen, we just cleaned a few days back. Now we live here, you live here, let's not do this. So that is the change I want to see. That is the real meaning of Misal. Colors are not important, street art is not important, painting, building is not important. Colors will fade in few years. But if I can get a database and I can make sure that every child of that area has finished their schooling till 12th, that is Misal. So main aim of Misal is connecting to people for uplifting them.
చాలా మంది చూసారు, చాలా మంది బాగుంది అంటారు. చాలా మంది లేపించినందుకు ఇంతకుముందుకు ఇట్లా నీట్గా లేకుండా పాత కలర్ అంతా నీట్గా గలీజ్గా రాజీవ్ గృహ ఇళ్ళని ఇప్పుడు ఒక కాలనీ టైప్ అయిపోయింది. ఒక పటేల్ నగర్ కాలనీ అయింది, ఇంతకుముందు బస్తీ అయింది. చేపించినందుకు మాకు చాలా సంతోషం. ఫినిక్స్ వాళ్ళకి, మేడం గారికి మా కృతజ్ఞతలు చెప్తున్నాను.
It's just a really great feeling, and I'm looking forward to all the future activities that Misal will be holding in Hyderabad. I wish the family grows bigger and stronger.
I take this opportunity to invite who are interested or have a mindset or aspiring to bring change in the society. Change in the society is not overnight we're going to transform it, but there is some kind of beginning. There should be some beginning. So whatever skills you have, you can teach those children. If you are a good artist, you can come forward. If you have some kind of skills which you think you can also just preach it, by which other people also can learn and can make their own living. So there are many things where you come up with your skills, and we are here to encourage. As I said, Misal is setting an example. So I take this opportunity to welcome you all, and also you join us in creating another Misal.
Well, I would say there is lots more to change. This is just the beginning.